In this video, we'll try to find the value of an algebraic expression. We have 1 plus k squared by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. Using this one, we'll try to find the value of 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k cube. So let us start. The given value is 1 plus k squared by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. We can write this expression as 1 plus k square plus 2k minus 2k, since we'll try to find the a plus b whole square on the numerator, so we can write like this, and denominator is same, 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. Next, we can arrange the values and we can write 1 square plus 2 times 1 times k plus k square minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. Next, we can use a plus b whole square formula. We can write 1 plus k whole square minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. Next, we can separate the values and we can write 1 plus k whole square by 1 plus k whole square minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. We can cut these values and we can write 1 minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9. Next, we can take 1 on the right side and we can write minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 5 by 9 minus 1. Or we can write minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals, on the numerator, 5 minus 9 by 9. Or we have minus 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals minus 4 by 9. If we cancel minus from both sides, we have 2k by 1 plus k whole square equals 4 by 9. If we divide both sides by 2, we have k by 1 plus k whole square equals 2 by 9. We can give this equation number 1. We'll use this value, k by 1 plus k whole square equals 2 by 9, to find our required value. Our required expression is 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k cube. So we'll write the expression, which is 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k cube. So you can write 1 plus k whole cube by 1 cube plus k cube. We can apply a cube plus b cube formula in the denominator. We know a cube plus b cube. We can write this as a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. We can apply this formula in the denominator and we can write equals 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k times 1 minus k plus k square. We have applied the formula in the denominator. Next, if we cut 1 plus k with 1 plus k whole square, we have 1 plus k whole square on the numerator. So we have on the numerator 1 plus k whole square, because 1 plus k whole cube we cut with 1 plus k. The remaining thing is 1 plus k whole square. And in the denominator 1 minus k plus k square. We'll try to make a plus b whole square in the denominator. So we can write 1 plus k whole square by 1 plus k square minus, we can write it as 2k minus 3k. So if we simplify, minus 3k plus 2k gives us minus k. But because of this expression 1 plus 2k plus k square, we'll get a 1 plus k whole square, which we need. So we have 1 plus k whole square by 1 plus k whole square minus 3k. But this is the value of 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k cube. If we reverse the value, we have 1 plus k cube by 1 plus k whole cube equals, the denominator and the numerator will change. So we'll have 1 plus k whole square by 1 plus k whole square minus 3k. Now, if we separate the values, so we can write 1 plus k whole square by 1 plus k whole square minus 3k by 1 plus k whole square. We can cut these two values and we can write 1 minus 3 times k by 1 plus k whole square. But we know the value of k by 1 plus k whole square from equation number 1. So from equation number 1, k by 1 plus k whole square equals 2 by 9. So we can put the value 1 minus 3 into 2 by 9. So we get equals 1 minus, if we cut 9 with 3, we have 3, 2 by 3, or we have 3 by 3 minus 2, equals 1 by 3, which is the value of, we wrote before, 1 plus k cube by 1 plus k whole cube. So 1 plus k cube by 1 plus k whole cube. But the value we want is the reciprocal value, which is this value, 1 plus k cube on the numerator and 1 plus k cube in the denominator, 1 plus k whole cube in the numerator and 1 plus k cube in the denominator. So we can reverse the value to get our required value. So we'll reciprocate the value 1 plus k whole cube by 1 plus k cube, which is our desired expression, equals 3, because the numerator is 1, which goes in the denominator, and the denominator goes in the numerator, so we have 3. So this is our required value. This is how we can get the value from the given expression. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.